not really a morning person, but breakfast is something that I really look forward to. Today I'm going to share with you the recipe of onion rava dosa, which happens to be one of my favorite breakfasts. Let's get started. First and foremost, I'm going to take a bowl and in it I'm going to add suji, which is also called as semolina, some rice flour and some maida. Once all the three flours are in, I'm going to add some buttermilk. If you don't have buttermilk, you could easily skip this. To this, some salt. So a whisk in a hand and a jug of water in the other. I'm going to make this batter. Give it a good whisk. So the consistency of this needs to be like buttermilk. It's not the way our regular dosa batter is. ये काफी पतला होता है. Now, to enhance its flavors, I'm going to give it a good tadka. So I'm going to take some oil. I need some mustard, jeera, and of course some curry leaves. Once this splutters, I'm going to pour it in the batter. I'm going to give it a quick stir. As you can see, the longer we wait, the thicker it gets. I'm going to add a little bit more water. Give it a stir and let this rest for easily 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been half an hour. Suji ne pani absorb kar liya hai, so it has bloomed. Everything has settled at the bottom. I'm going to give it a stir. As you can see, the flours have absorbed the moisture and this has become a nice, lovely batter. Now, because this is onion rava dosa, some finely chopped onions, some chopped coriander, and some green chilies. Give this a good stir and you're ready to make crispy dosas. With a lot of South Indian foods, we think there will be a lot of grinding and overnight fermenting required. That's really not the case with this one. So I have a pan here which is on high heat. I've done it on high heat because this is supposed to be crispy. An onion rava dosa, you never have it soggy. This is supposed to be crispy. So whenever you make this dosa, ensure that the tawa is really hot. Also, if you see a gap, just fill it up. Some oil on the sides. So it took approximately 1.5–2 minutes to cook from one side, and then I've flipped it and now I'm cooking from the other side. If you pour a batter which is very thin, then you might not even need to cook it from the next side. So my breakfast is ready and I can't wait to dig in. South Indian food happens to be me and my husband's favorite breakfast. Be it idli sambar, dosa sambar or even uttapam. I make it very often, and one thing that's always there with any of these is sambar. So first of all, I'm going to make the dry sambar masala. I'm going to pan roast some spices and seeds. So some dhania seeds, some chana dal, some whole jeera, cumin, methi dana, that's fenugreek seeds, a little peppercorn, some whole Kashmiri chili. No South Indian food is complete without adding curry patta. And of course, generous coconut. I'm going to toss this in the pan for say 2 minutes and then blend it. This sambar masala that we are making from scratch at home, ये जो स्टोर में मिलता है उससे बहुत ज़्यादा better taste करता है. So I've roasted all that we needed for our sambar masala. It's all nicely roasted and smelling fabulous. I'm going to let this cool and make a fine powder out of it by blending it. To simplify things, I had already made this sambar masala for us today. Let's get started with making the sambar. In a pan, I'm going to take some tamarind extract, water. To this, I'm going to add vegetables of choice. I'm adding beans, some carrot, onions of course, tomatoes, and this pre-boiled तुअर दाल. तुअर दाल और अरहर दाल, इसमें मैंने हल्दी और थोड़ा सा नमक डाल के इसको ऑलरेडी प्रेशर कुक कर दिया है. I'm adding some salt to this. This will just help things to cook faster. So I'm going to put a lid on top of this. इससे क्या होगा? ये जल्दी cook हो जाएगा. Last but not the least, our sambar masala powder that we just made. I'm going to let this boil for 10 minutes with a lid on. उससे ये बहुत जल्दी पक जाएगा. So the sambar is ready. It's piping hot right now. दाल जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, दाल पूरी तरह से मैश हो चुकी है, वेजिटेबल्स कुक हो चुकी हैं और जो सांभर मसाले का फ्लेवर है पूरी तरह से स्प्रेड हो चुका है इसमें. अब बस इसे छौंक लगाना बाकी है. छौंक लगाने के लिए आई एम टेकिंग अ लिटिल ऑयल. टेम्परिंग के लिए मुझे चाहिए थोड़ा सा जीरा, सम मस्टर्ड सीड्स, करी लीव्स ऑफ कोर्स, dried red chili, and I'm also going to add a pinch of हींग. हींग आप चाहें तो पहले भी डाल सकते हैं, बट तड़के में डालने से the flavor comes much better. So there you go, sambar is ready.